Robot? Hello, I am here to destroy you. Ugh, do you have to say this every time? We barely even met. Alright, fine. You're a mayday. What are you gonna do about that, punk? I'm gonna do something I never did before. Shoot. Come on, don't you want a little juice to your friends? Shut up, I have no idea what you're talking about. Too bad, because I don't care. And seriously, what are you gonna... Dang it! It's all out of ammo. It's useless now. Alright. My main purpose is to destroy you. So, I guess I'll destroy you. No, come on, man. We could do... Oh! Wait, what? I beat him that easily? Haha! I'm a champion. You think you can do this to me? What? That's enough. I'm going to kill you. If I can. Great! You broke my limbs, you son of a... Well, my limbs are good. Do 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 do. Ooh, what was that for? Thanks for saving me, buddy. Do 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 do. No. That's it. That's it. There's an overload.